Hi guys, this is simple cooking at its best. So simple, all you need is an oven tray, 3 aubergines chopped in really big chunks, 6 peppers, mixed peppers if you like red, but I use a variety of green, yellow and red, all chopped up, some red onions, 3 tins of chopped tomatoes, black pepper, mixed spice or mixed herbs, lots and lots of garlic chopped. Finally, a little drizzle of olive oil and some salt. You can add extra as well if you wish of any other herbs. This is absolutely delicious. Popped in the oven, usually about 190, just about gas mark 7. Cooked for about 45 minutes. I always put tin foil on mine at first, and then I rip the tin foil off after about 35 minutes and carry on cooking, browning it off and making it crispy on top. Fantastic with poached fish or chicken, or you could toss it then through linguine. Very fast, simple and delicious, healthy Mediterranean style cooking. Hope you can try it guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, see you again soon.